This is going to be a hotel tour of the Comfort Inn and Suites in Brattleboro, Vermont. Front desk to your right, breakfast area to your left. Here's the business center. Here's an ice and vending machine. Over here, down in the basement, you have the fitness center, guest laundry, and pool. Here's the pool. Here's the pool room. There's no hot tub here. Here's the fitness center. Trying to get spots. Here we go. Got a treadmill, an elliptical, and some weights. And over here's guest laundry. The door is already open. Got one washer and one dryer. Over here, that's the same entry to the pool. I'll go up and tour my room. My room's on the 4th floor. Let's to room 407. Starting with security features have a deadbolt and a latch, fire map and a peephole. Here's a bathroom sink and a mirror, toilet, bathtub, and a shower right here. Here's a mirror with a lamp, phone, office desk, coffee machine, another lamp. It's a pull-out couch. Yep. Another lamp right here. Mini fridge, microwave, flat screen TV and a remote. Here's a nightstand with a telephone and a lamp. Another one right here. Another lamp and alarm clock. Here's the closet, rack, ironing board and hangers with the AC unit, which is controlled on the thermostat right here. Now here's a view of the window. It's a pretty nice view. You can see the alarm clock, the clock tower. Travel Edge by Wyndham, and you can also see I-91 right there. Alright, that's pretty much all for this hotel tour, and I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more new content, and thanks for watching.